When chameleons change color, they do it instantly. The famous quote, "He is changing colors like a chameleon," implies that the chameleon is changing color gradually over time. But in reality, a chameleon can change color in less than a second. Have you ever seen a chameleon change color? If so, how fast did it happen? Let us know in the comments below. In this video, we're going to be answering the question, how do chameleons change color so fast? Before we get into the science of this amazing process, make sure to hit that like button for more videos about reptiles. Also, stick around until the end of the video for a sneak peek at one of our upcoming videos. The chameleon has several layers of skin cells. The top layer of cells are called the epidermal cells. These cells contain sacs full of pigments called guanine. The guanine reflects the light away, giving the chameleon its color. When the guanine sacs are full, the light bounces back and we can see the color. But when the guanine sacs are empty, the light passes through and we can see the color of the sac underneath. Sac have several layers of these pigmented cells. By controlling which cells are full and which are empty, the chameleon can create different colors. But there are also other factors at play. The middle layer of skin cells contains sacs full of crystals called guanine. The guanine bounces the light away, giving the chameleon its color. When the guanine sacs are full, the light bounces back and we can see the color. But when the guanine sacs are empty, the light passes through and we can see the color of the sac underneath. Sac chameleons have several layers of these pigmented cells. By controlling which cells are full and which are empty, the chameleon can create different colors. The bottom layer of cells contains sacs full of red and yellow pigments. These colors don't reflect light, so they're only visible from the bottom layer. The chameleon can control the amount of red and yellow by moving the cells around. When the cells are close to the top, the colors are more visible. When the cells are closer to the bottom, the colors are less visible. So now you know how chameleons can change color. They have 3 layers of skin cells that all work together to create all the beautiful colors. Now let's take a look at how fast a chameleon can change color. In a study done in researchers found that a chameleon could change color in as little as 20 milliseconds. That's 50 times faster than the blink of an eye. In another study done in 2016, researchers found that a chameleon could change color in as little as 15 milliseconds. That's even faster than the blink of an eye. And even when the change takes a little longer, it still happens incredibly fast. Researchers have recorded a change from brown to green taking 2 seconds. That's still 10 times faster than the blink of an eye. Chameleons can change color so fast because they have special proteins in their skin cells that help them move the pigments around really quickly. These proteins are called kinesins, or motor proteins that move stuff around in cells. They're like little tiny feet that walk stuff around. In chameleons, the kinesins help move the guanine, red and yellow pigments around really quickly. This allows the chameleon to change color almost instantly. Now let us take a look at some of the factors that can affect how fast a chameleon changes color. One factor is the temperature of the chameleon. The warmer the temperature, the faster the chameleon can change color. This is because the warmer temperature causes the kinetic energy of the chameleon's molecules to increase. This makes the molecules move around faster, which allows the chameleon to change color faster. Another factor is the chameleon's mood. When a chameleon is stressed or excited, it can change color faster. This is because the chameleon's nervous system is more active when it's stressed or excited. This causes the chameleon to release more adrenaline, which makes the chameleon change color faster. One last factor is the chameleon's age. Juvenile chameleons are able to change color faster than adult chameleons. This is because juvenile chameleons have more pigment in their skin cells than adult chameleons. This allows them to change color faster. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about how chameleons change color so fast. If you did, please hit that like button for more reptile videos. Also, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload. We have a lot of cool videos coming up, including a sneak peek at one of our upcoming videos. What is a megadroma? Is a giant tortoise that lives on the island of Israel. These tortoises can live to be over 100 years old and can weigh more than 400 pounds. Make sure to tune in for that video and all of our other cool videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.